The TOEFL iBT is one of the most widely accepted English language tests in the world. Many universities require this test for international students who want to study abroad. The test measures your ability to use and understand English in academic environments. It evaluates for main skills, reading, listening, speaking, and writing. Recently, the TOEFL test has been updated to make it shorter and more efficient. The updated version takes about 2 hours to complete. Even though the test is shorter, students still need strong English skills and effective preparation strategies to achieve a high score. This guide explains how to prepare for the TOEFL test, how to pass it successfully, and how to improve your speaking skills. Understanding the TOEFL test structure before starting your preparation, it is important to understand the structure of the test. The TOEFL, consists of 4 sections. Reading section in this part, you will read academic passages and answer questions about them. The passages are similar to university textbooks and cover topics like science, history, or social studies. Listening section, you will listen to conversations and lectures and answer questions. These recordings simulate real university situations, such as classroom discussions and professor lectures. Speaking section in this section, you will respond to questions and speak into a microphone. Your responses are recorded and evaluated by examiners and automated scoring systems. Writing section, you will write essays based on reading and listening tasks, as well as express your own ideas clearly. Understanding this structure helps you focus your preparation and develop strategies for each section. How to prepare for the TOEFL test. Effective preparation requires consistency, practice, and good study habits. 1. Build strong vocabulary is essential for success in all sections of the TOEFL. Try to learn new academic words every day. Words related to education, technology, environment, culture, and research frequently appear in the test. You can improve vocabulary by reading English articles and books, watching educational videos, writing new words in a vocabulary notebook, practicing using new words in sentences. Learning vocabulary gradually will make it easier to understand reading passages and express your ideas clearly. 2. Practice reading academic texts. TOEFL reading section contains academic passages similar to university textbooks. Practice reading articles from reliable sources such as educational websites, research blogs, and academic magazines. When reading, focus on identifying the main idea, understanding supporting details, learning new vocabulary, recognizing the author's purpose. Practice improves your reading speed and comprehension. 3. Improve listening skills. Listening is another important skill for the TOEFL test. Since many questions are based on lectures and conversations, it is helpful to practice listening regularly. You can improve your listening skills by watching English lectures on YouTube, listening to educational podcasts, watching documentaries in English, practicing note-taking while listening to summarize what you hear. This helps you remember important information. How to prepare for TOEFL speaking section is often challenging for many students because they must speak clearly within a short time. However, with practice and the right strategy, it is possible to perform well. The speaking section usually includes 4 tasks. Some tasks ask you to give your opinion, while others require you to summarize information from reading and listening materials. Speaking preparation strategies. 1. Practice speaking every day. Consistency is the most important factor in improving speaking skills. Try to speak English every day, even if it is only for a few minutes. You can practice by recording yourself speaking, answering practice questions, describing pictures or situations, talking about your daily activities. This daily practice builds confidence and improves pronunciation.